Good morning, students. Today's topic is that how we can read and write the number according to the international number system. Now, the name of the periods in international number system will be, first period will be ones, next will be thousands, next will be millions, and next will be billions. One more time, the first period will be ones, next period will be thousands, next will be millions, and the last will be billions. Now, let's take an example. This is an example. Now, before we divide the digits into periods, we need to put the comma. In international number system, we put the comma after 3 digits. We have to start from the right hand side of the number. Now, after every 3 digits, we will put the comma. Understood? In international number system, we put the comma after every 3 digits. We have to start from the right hand side of the number. Now, every 3 digits, we will put the comma. So, our first period will be ones. Next period will be thousand. And the next period will be million. Understood? Now, according to the different periods, we will write the number. So, the first column will be of ones column. Clear? Next will be of the thousand column. Next will be of the million column. Now, from the right hand side, we have to write the number in words. Now, both the digits that come in one period, we have to write together. It will be 82, 100, 172, 493. Clear? So, it will be now 82 million, 172,000, 172,000 and 493 ones. Clear? Now take one more example. This is a number. Now, according to the international number system, divide the digits into periods. Now, after every 3 digits, we will put the comma. First period will be ones. Next will be thousand. Next will be million. So, we will write from the left hand side. We have to name from the right hand side and we have to write from the left hand side. So, left hand side 72 million, 274,000, 523 ones. So, it will be 72 millions, 274,523. I hope you all have understood. Now let's take one more example. Divide the digits into periods. So first comma we have to put after 3 digits. Then again after 3 digits. In international system, we put the comma after every 3 digits. So first period will be ones. Next period will be thousand. And the next will be million. Now write in words from left hand side. It will be 2 million 172 172,493. 493.